Vintage Fan Collector 1939. Here is a 1936 GE 8-inch single speed oscillating table fan, model number 42X548. I got this fan for my birthday this year, and um was it was stiff. The bearings were stiff. They're not now because I put some fresh oil in the oil cup right there. The brass cylinder in there is the oil cup. Um, the cord is not original. This is a replacement that someone has done. This is a interesting plug on this fan. Never seen a plug quite like this before. With a ring on it. It's kind of like a finger ring plug. The prongs on this plug are loose. I've tried tightening up these little screws right here, but they do nothing. I think they're just stripped out. I don't know, but this fan, it does run, although the spin down is pretty sad. Look at that. It's not because it's on oscillation. I have the oscillation turned off. However, this fan does rattle um because the threads right there, this motor is kind of loose. Uh I've tried putting um I've tried putting 3-in-1 oil, motor oil, um on the threads right there, and it seems to quiet it down. I don't know if that's the right or wrong thing to do, but it helps the fan stay quiet when I'm using it. I'll let you hear this how bad this rattle is when I move this motor a little bit. Well, it's not really rattling when I move it, but you'll hear how loud it is when I start the fan up. I don't have any oil on there right now. Let's go ahead and plug this fan in for what I'm going to do is plug this kilowatt meter in here first. So let's do that. All right, the kilowatt meter is plugged in. 110.3 volts. Let's go to amps. Plug the fan in. All right, it's plugged in. Let's turn the fan on. It's a single speed. Just listen to how loud that is. I'll put the microphone near the fan. Hopefully you can hear it. All right, hopefully you heard that. Putting 3-in-1 oil in between on the threads in there gets it to quiet down. Let's go ahead and turn the oscillator on. Uh, the amps on oscillation are 0.49 or 0.518 with a power factor of 0.64. It went up. Let's go to watts. Well, okay, 37 watts. Took me forever to go to watts. 37 watts. All right, let's go to stationary. With the power factor is 0.66. Wow. Whoa. Let's turn this fan off. Let's, I guess, end the video. You saw how slow, how how fast that spin down was. Watch this. If you didn't see, I'll show it again. Look at how bad that spin down is. I think it's because the grease in this gearbox. Anyway, I'm going to try to get a new cord for this. I'm going to end the video, but I thought I'd add some more information about this fan, what I'm going to do to it. I'm going to put a new cord to match the head wire and get some felt on this. Anyway, like, share, comment, and subscribe to Vintage Fan Collector 1939. Bye.